Welcome back to Explained by AI, your hub for exploring the profound mysteries and intriguing theories of our universe. Our current understanding of human evolution is a process driven by random mutations and natural selection, shaping the richly diverse life forms we observe today, including ourselves. However, this understanding, while comprehensive, does not provide all the answers. What if hidden in the complexity of our DNA, our consciousness, and our very existence, there are hints of an extraterrestrial influence? Today we explore this intriguing prospect, a perspective that both challenges our conventional understanding and stimulates our curiosity about the potential impact of extraterrestrial entities on our evolution. The theory of evolution by natural selection, proposed by Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace, suggests that all life on Earth, including humans, evolved over billions of years. In this process, random mutations occur in the genes of an organism. Some of these mutations provide advantages, enabling the organism to survive and reproduce more effectively. Over countless generations, these beneficial mutations accumulate, leading to the emergence of new species. In the case of humans, evolutionary theory suggests our ancestors diverged from the lineage of our closest living relatives, the chimpanzees, around 6 to 7 million years ago. This led to a series of evolutionary stages, culminating in the emergence of Homo sapiens, the species we belong to today. This is the mainstream view of human evolution. It's backed by a wealth of evidence, from fossils and archaeological artifacts to the genetic similarities between humans and other primates. While the theory of evolution is compelling, it isn't without its challenges. For instance, the origin of DNA, the blueprint of life, remains an enigma. Darwin's theory does not explain how the first DNA molecules came into existence. Similarly, the complexity of the cell poses another challenge. Some biological systems seem irreducibly complex. They require all their parts to be present in order to function, which poses a conundrum for the gradual process of evolution. Additionally, the fossil record, while providing strong support for evolution, has gaps. The transitional species, crucial links between our hominid ancestors and earlier primates, are sparse. Given these complexities, some have proposed alternative hypotheses. What if our evolution was influenced, not just by the invisible hand of natural selection, but by the very tangible hands of extraterrestrial beings? This is the threshold where our well-established understanding of evolution meets a provocative proposition: the influence of extraterrestrial life forms on our development. It's a perspective that dares to question our origins, opening new avenues of thought about our place in the cosmos. The concept of extraterrestrial influence on human evolution is an expansive and multifaceted area of speculation, encompassing a range of theories, each considering different mechanisms of potential interstellar intervention in our evolutionary trajectory. Firstly, the theory of direct genetic manipulation. This idea suggests that extraterrestrials might have directly altered the DNA of early hominids. They could have inserted new genes or modified existing ones to enhance certain traits, like intelligence or manual dexterity. Could this possibly account for the rapid development of the human brain and the swift emergence of distinctive human behaviors? Secondly, the theory of guided evolution. This idea posits that extraterrestrials subtly influence the environmental conditions on Earth over millions of years. Might it be conceivable that these extraterrestrial entities didn't leave our evolution to chance? Could they have manipulated cosmic events, inciting climate shifts, directing continental drift, or even orchestrating asteroid impacts, all to guide the trajectory of life on our planet? Lastly, the theory of technological infusion. Could it be that extraterrestrial entities gifted early humans with advanced technology or profound knowledge? Imagine the impact of such an exchange: tools, architectural designs, and advanced concepts in mathematics and astronomy. This sudden infusion of knowledge might have dramatically accelerated our development and molded the very foundations of our civilization. These theories might even shed light on some of the enduring mysteries of our past. Consider the ancient structures on Earth, like the pyramids or Stonehenge. There are compelling arguments that these structures exhibit knowledge beyond what humans of the time should have possessed. Could these be signs of extraterrestrial influence, or are they merely a testament to our ancestors' ingenuity? It's questions like these that lead us to look more closely at the evidence from our past, at the ancient artifacts, monuments, and texts that have endured the passage of time, continuously sparking the curiosity of minds for generations. While these theories stretch the boundaries of traditional scientific interpretation, it's important to keep an open mind, as we have yet to fully comprehend the construction methods behind marvels such as the pyramids or Stonehenge. They serve as intriguing hypotheses, encouraging us to challenge our assumptions and explore our evolution from diverse perspectives. Across the globe, we find awe-inspiring monuments. These structures stand as a testament to our ancestors' remarkable skills and determination. Yet, some theorists argue that these monumental achievements hint at the possibility of an extraterrestrial influence. They raise questions about the advanced knowledge that would have been required to construct these monuments. The precision with which stones were cut, exemplified by the almost perfectly fitting stones of ancient Peru, the complexity of their design, and the astronomical alignments observed in some of these structures, all suggest a level of understanding that seems extraordinary for the time. Moreover, they point out the prevalence of pyramid-like structures across different ancient civilizations, despite vast geographic distances and no known contact between them. Could these similarities be mere coincidence? Or might they suggest some form of extraterrestrial guidance or influence? This extraordinary notion encourages us to delve into these intriguing possibilities with scientific curiosity. This theme of seemingly anachronistic knowledge continues with OOPArts, or out-of-place artifacts. These objects, like the astonishingly accurate Antikythera mechanism, seem to showcase a level of technology incongruent with the time they were created, leading some to speculate about alien intervention. And in the pages of ancient texts, we find stories of gods descending from the sky and wielding advanced technology. The Indian Vedas tell of flying machines known as Vimanas, while the Sumerian tablets describe the Anunnaki, beings from the heavens. In interpreting these historical elements as evidence of extraterrestrial influence, we tread into highly speculative territory. Mainstream archaeology and history often provide alternative explanations, attributing these achievements to human innovation and cultural myth-making. Regardless of your perspective, whether interpreting these phenomena as indications of extraterrestrial intervention or as manifestations of human ingenuity, they undeniably enrich our exploration of our past. As we reflect on the precision of ancient stone cutting and the complex designs of monumental structures, we can't help but wonder, could these feats of engineering be signs of extraterrestrial influence? Or do they point towards another intriguing aspect of our ancestral ingenuity? This introspection leads us to another compelling concept, panspermia. This theory posits that life exists throughout the universe, distributed by asteroids, comets, and interstellar dust. But what if this process wasn't random? What if life on Earth was intentionally seeded? Building upon the concept of panspermia, there is another hypothesis that takes this idea one step further. Known as directed panspermia, it suggests that microorganisms might have been deliberately sent to Earth by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. While this idea might seem far-fetched, it is given some credibility when we consider the existence of extremophiles on Earth. These microorganisms, such as tardigrades and certain bacteria like Deinococcus radiodurans, demonstrate extraordinary resilience to extreme conditions. Their ability to withstand vast temperature ranges, intense radiation, and even the vacuum of space indicates a potential for life to survive and travel through the harsh environment of the cosmos. Moreover, we've detected complex organic molecules such as amino acids, nucleobases, and even fullerenes in space. These are critical components for the formation of life, raising intriguing questions about the potential spread of life throughout the cosmos. However, it's important to bear in mind that directed panspermia, while fascinating, remains a hypothesis. Its criticisms lie primarily in its speculative nature and the current lack of definitive empirical evidence. Nonetheless, whether we entertain the possibility of extraterrestrial guidance or the prospect of life originating from celestial seeding, these theories invite us to think about our evolution from a broader cosmic perspective. They remind us of our connection to the universe and encourage us to continually question, explore, and seek answers about our origin and place in the cosmos. The intriguing idea of directed panspermia, of life's seeds traveling across the cosmos, invites us to consider the wider questions about life in the universe. And there are many other perspectives and theories that grapple with these questions. One such perspective is given by the Drake equation, a mathematical formula that tries to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. It weighs factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, and the lifetimes of communicative civilizations. The Drake equation, with its mathematical formula, suggests that there could be a considerable number of civilizations in our own Milky Way galaxy that are capable of communication. But this leads us to a conundrum, famously posed by physicist Enrico Fermi. If there are a significant number of extraterrestrial civilizations, why haven't we detected any signs of them? This is the essence of the Fermi paradox. In simple terms, if the probabilities are so high, where are all the aliens? In response to the Fermi paradox, and to answer this cosmic conundrum, humanity has embarked on a dedicated search for extraterrestrial intelligence, a project aptly named SETI. SETI uses advanced technology, such as radio and optical telescopes, to scan the cosmos for signals that might indicate the presence of an intelligent civilization. Despite the challenges involved in the vastness of space, the search continues, fueled by our innate curiosity and desire to answer one of the most profound questions in life. Are we alone in the universe? As we navigate the fascinating possibilities proposed by these ideas, it's crucial to remember their speculative nature. Both the concept of extraterrestrial intervention and directed panspermia present intriguing scenarios, yet they are subject to rigorous scientific examination. One of the main criticisms of the concept of extraterrestrial intervention is the lack of conclusive scientific evidence supporting the idea of alien involvement in human evolution. Many scholars contend that the development of human intelligence and civilization can be fully explained by natural evolutionary processes and the gradual accumulation of knowledge over time. Despite the current lack of empirical evidence, these concepts persistently kindle both debates and curiosity, reflecting our enduring captivation with the prospect of intelligent extraterrestrial life and its potential impact on our evolutionary history. Regardless of their ultimate validity, these ideas exemplify our unwavering quest for understanding. As we grapple with the mysteries of our existence, these explorations of potential extraterrestrial influences exemplify the breadth of our curiosity. Thank you for engaging with our content. To stay connected with our ongoing explorations, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, remember Carl Sagan's words, somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known.